going on? That's ugly too, right? Stop it. We have just arrived. I'm gonna let you guys be able to tell us where we are in a second. This is me, Misha. And I know.
Hi guys, I'm with my real
And
sister and my
Tia.
fake sister. Hey.
You keep
Not
saying
the
that
fake
Tia gonna
sister.
punch you today.
She's our favorite girl. And all.
Where are we supposed to be going right now?
They do. They do. It's like a mall, but it's not a mall. For home stuff and furniture stuff. IKEA? Just the
Yeah, Auntie
IKEA?
Carl always a talking about this Swiss
Oh, I like this
meatballs
lamb.
that she likes
God,
in
have
here.
mercy.
Here we go. Round the ring. Cart. Because I absolutely needed this.
I do.
The baby girl room. Misha.
Galley's room, that's what I like.
This, and it's only 29.
Or you get two and put it like
nothing in here.
Huh?
For the little book. You know Chris gonna want to make that.
The whole thing is so
But
nice.
this is
guys.
nice. And it's with the whole concept of the unicorn fairy tale kind of thing. Whole concept. That the shorter one too. But you have to get two. You can't just get one. One minute.
So guys,
Depending on the
we
line.
are at
Are you gonna put her in
IKEA
that big
and
room?
it's my first time at IKEA. I've wanted to go to
But this is not
IKEA.
too- this is
This
not bright,
particular IKEA, since it opened in Pennsylvania, it could be a little over maybe 7 or so years ago. I don't know. But then I moved
what is
away
this?
from the region and then I'm finally back. I'm sorry if I sound stuffy. Now watch me trying to get a card desperately, and this is the moment when I realized, oh my god, this is not a card. What is this? If anybody seems to know, you gotta comment below and help me out, because I'm so ignorant right now. So I caught up with Misha and Tia again, and they're looking in the bedding section because we're trying to sort out my niece's room. So we're just taking a look. Both my sister and I just got
I bought a
new
headboard,
homes.
like a huge one.
Yeah,
like
it's
that.
an exciting time because we're
Let me see if I'm
totally
showing
into
her the video.
decorating, as some may know. And if you're new to my channel, well, that's what we do. I'm a creative designer, so I decorate spaces. So welcome to House of Destiny. But I'm looking around IKEA and I'm like, where am I? First of all,
These are showrooms. Where are the
seems like now I'm in a
things?
showroom. Okay, so I'm trying to find out where the actual products are. And I don't have a lot of talking in this footage. It's very short because I'm trying.
49 for this? Mm-hmm. I'm getting this. But the dimensions I don't have, but we can't get this.
You have to take a picture of the dimensions and everything you like, so that when you're ready, you can always come back, or you order it online and let them ship it, because you can do that too. These are actually what I came about, storage units for the basement, because I don't feel like I missed there before.
I'm here about storing solutions. So I'm mostly interested in these shelving units. I did not see the ones I wanted mostly. Wood is fine, but it's heavy. So I was looking for some metal shelving units.
Hey guys, this is an important day for me because I am in IKEA. Right? I was gonna say, is that the restroom? Yeah. I like this chair. I like this chair. Let's see how much you are. 79. Tobias clear chrome plated. Let me take a picture of this. Okay, let's load this up.
Are you ready?
Yes. And then the stuff that some of the stuff we picked up were on display, like the gold
I had
plate.
to put it back.
And then what else did I have that was on display? Some white bin.
How was it on display when it was sitting on the
They're idiots. I haven't told me that.
Alright, so we didn't do much footage of us shopping at when we got to the marketplace and actually we're picking out the products, but we got some stuff and we will definitely be back.
They were on display because you took them off the top of the place, and they were dusty anyway. If you think about it, they would have been like in some form of plastic bag or box. Or this is a dangerous packing right here. I'm not like you. There's no bag thing that's going on. Let's turn this over because I don't want dirt to catch it.
I have some stuff and that's in a project.
Yeah, that's why I'm turning it over. Fix the good for me.
How much in it has? How much was the price?
Mine was about 150.
How much was spent here? How much $500 for the floors there?
There's like 40 something, right?
Yeah.
I
40
gave
and
her
then
back
50
mine.
something for the...
I took my pump and that's good. Okay, this one we need to put in a bag because it's gonna spill out. Situation here with some of these paper. Hold this.
What is that?
The cameraman, bro.
Video? It's going? Hi guys. So we purchased these flowers today. This is fake, but this one is real palm tree. I don't know what this one is. It is scared of it because I feel like there might be insects in here, guys.
And there's not. It's a fake plant.
Which it just looks scary.
crazy.
I don't know why I'm putting it in my house. I'm gonna be so paranoid of this tree, but yeah, guys. we got
Why?
these things
It's artificial. What kind of plant are you gonna put up in the home?
We got them today in IKEA.
And then give me another.
They're doing some kind of wrapping concoction to this one here. I feel like someone cut that one at the edge there. See it? That edge looks like it's been cut.
Mm-hmm.
Such a defective one.
And I think we are ready for the road.
What are you doing?
Oh, really? It's so here.
No, I left you there tying the thing. Alright, where to now?
Chop how much of expensive one,
What did that happen to you?
Oh my god, I'm pushing the thing out of the store. And here comes one of the lid falling out of the basket right on top of my toe. And it
Was it a
rolled and
heavy
it
lid?
hurt. No, but it hurt like it was a metal just mash up the toe. Jesus. God, that's definitely
Oh,
Satan
Lord.
here too, man.
Believe me, say every day something drop on me too. So now anything I fall, me make sure before it's like reflex.
They
She's
do the
like,
same
"Why you
now,
moving your
bloodline.
foot for?"
Yeah, because they're heading straight for the toe. You don't realize it? All
And
the
it
time.
hurt. It could be a coin, a quarter. That stuff hurt like it.
Now, what about the knife? Then we'll have drop it in the kitchen. Same direction. Toe.
That's true. That's everything.
Right,
They say
so-
put that phone in the sun.
No, really.
You finished with it?
No, it's coffee.
What you drink coffee for? You can't manage coffee?
Not at all.
So why are you drinking coffee? I can't understand it.
I'm doing a lot better now since my new work diet and exercise.
Alright guys,
routine.
so, Tia, are you gonna put
You need to see it.
2, 4, 3, 4?
Come here, so like something doing it. The man can get the weekend. What's wrong?
You said so like something. Lord have mercy. I should have made me drink that tea there. It does something to me, man. Any kind of
What's he gonna do with those shares?
outside or so, and him look like he come with that intention.
You have to come here knowing exactly what you want. Have your number, know your out.
But look how stuff that what we want was those clouds, man. You know how cute those cloud lights
Bring
are.
them online, let them ship them. We'll go.
And then you're gonna take us out this.